What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BDO Gold and Visa credit cards. Sa video na to guys, pag-uusapan natin kung worth it bang mag-upgrade ka ng credit card mo from certain credit card into Gold, Mastercard, or Visa Gold. At saka pag-uusapan din natin guys sa vlog na to kung paano kayo mag-earn ng points sa Gold, Mastercard, and Visa Gold credit card. At saka kung paano siya gamitin kung para saan yung na-earn nating credit card points sa BDO credit cards. Pag-uusapan natin guys kasi naka-receive ako ng text message which is a official text message from BDO saying na, "Hi Mr. Junior, live better when you upgrade your BDO Shopmore Mastercard to BDO Gold Mastercard." Kasi guys, itong Shopmore ko is Mastercard siya. Kaya naman ngayon, yung pinapa-upgrade niya is yung BDO Gold Mastercard. Enjoy exclusive benefits and free membership fee for 1 year. To avail, text CC upgrade space last 6 digits of your BDO Shopmore Mastercard to 225678 until 4/27/2025. So hanggang April 27, 2025 lang siya valid. Your card remains active until your new card is activated. So halimbawa kung naka-receive kayo ng ganong message which is pinapa-upgrade ni BDO yung existing credit card ninyo, ibig sabihin guys, yung credit card na yon is mas mababa kesa sa Gold Mastercard. Ngayon, unang-una pagkakaiba nila is yung annual fee guys. Kasi mas mataas itong Gold kasi 2,500 yung magiging annual fee nito. Halimbawa, kung yung dati yung credit card is Shopmore, 1,800 yon. Kung yung dati yung credit card is installment card, 1,000 lang yung annual fee nun. At saka yung Visa Classic, 1,000 lang din yung annual fee nun. Kaya naman, unang-una guys na pagkakaiba is yung annual fee nila. Tapos ngayon, pag-uusapan natin sa vlog na to, yung perks and benefits ng BDO Gold Mastercard at saka Visa Gold Credit Card ni BDO para makita nyo kung ano yung meron sa BDO Gold Mastercard and Visa Gold Credit Card ni BDO. At saka para ma-compare nyo rin, kasi syempre existing credit card holder kayo ng kung ano yung credit card nyo ngayon, tapos pinapa-upgrade, mako-compare nyo ngayon kung malaman nyo kung ano yung meron sa BDO Gold Mastercard and BDO Visa Gold credit card. So yun, na-receive ko lang to ngayong araw, which is today is April 8, 2025. So sabi ko parang ano bang meron sa BDO Gold Mastercard? Kaya naman nag-research ako kung ano meron. Kaya naman sabi ko ngayon i-vlog ko para ma-share ko sa inyo kung dapat ba kayong mag-upgrade into BDO Gold Mastercard or BDO Gold Visa. Kasi alam nyo ba guys, may mga ganong scenario si BDO, minsan nagpapa-upgrade sila ng credit card kung medyo okay yung spending limits ninyo o spending habits ninyo, nagbabayad kayo on time, hindi kayo nagkakaroon ng delays, hindi kayo nagkakaroon ng default. What I'm trying to say is, wala kayong lapses sa payment. Pagdating ng statement of account, nababayaran nyo ng maayos yung credit card ninyo, they will initiate to offer to upgrade your credit card. At magandang, magandang relationship with banks, of course. It's because they were able to trust you. You earned their trust. Kaya naman ngayon, pinagkakatiwalaan kanila to upgrade your existing credit card into higher tier of credit card that they have. At syempre, tataas yung credit limit nyo yan, most probably. Kapag nag-upgrade kayo, mas mabilis yung increase ng credit limit nyo as per observation sa mga natanungan ko. Sa kakilala ko kasi guys, nag-offer sila na i-upgrade yung credit card, in-upgrade niya ngayon, ang bilis magtaas ng credit limit niya based sa experience niya. Pero case-to-case basis naman siya, hindi siya pwedeng lahatin na parang pag nag-upgrade ka, automatic siya magtataas kasi it depends upon the records kung okay yung spending habits ninyo, nagbabayad kayo on time. Tulad ng sabi ko, wala kayong lapses sa payment at wala kayong delays. Ganun siya. Kaya naman ngayon, pag-uusapan natin yung perks and benefits ng Gold Mastercard at saka yung Visa Gold Credit Card ni BDO para naman matulungan kayo makapag-decide kung dapat ba kayong mag-upgrade or hindi. So ito guys, as you can see, Mastercard credit cards. Ayan po yung itsura ng BDO Gold Mastercard. Yung hawak na yan. Yan. Zoom in ko para makita nyo talaga. Tapos ngayon, ayan, Gold Mastercard. Your gold experience starts here. Ito naman yung Visa Gold guys. Kung curious kayo kung ano yung itsura ng Visa Gold, ayan siya. Then yung Gold Mastercard, ayan. Then ito yung Visa Gold. Tignan nyo na lang. Then sa Visa Gold naman, enjoy savings and treats for your shopping and lifestyle choices. So ngayon, unahin ko yung Gold Mastercard guys. Gold Mastercard exclusive perks. Receive year-around treats, instant savings, and premium offers nationwide. So ito kasing BDO Gold Mastercard, tulad ng nabanggit kanina sa text message, there's an exclusive perks and benefits, kumbaga. Tapos ito, Gold Mastercard, buy now, pay later. Buy from over 25,000 stores nationwide and pay later at 0% interest. Kasi yes, minsan talaga guys, nag-o-offer si BDO credit card ng as in, 0 interest charge siya within certain period of time like 6 months or 1 year. Parang sa experience ko guys, maximum of 1 year siya. Yung free talaga yung interest niya, as in 0 interest siya. Then ito, Gold Mastercard, collect peso rewards, earn peso points from your everyday, everywhere purchases. So, ito guys, pag-uusapan natin kung paano kayo makapag-earn ng points sa Gold Mastercard. Use your BDO credit card peso points. Shop for free with BDO peso rewards. Kasi guys, alam nyo ba, yung points ni BDO as good as cash siya, pwede siyang i-convert into shopping credits or di kaya pambayad sa credit card bill man lang din ninyo. Then nandito guys, redeem credit card peso points earned from your everyday, everywhere purchases. Ways to enjoy BDO credit card peso points, cash credit, convert to cash credit as payment for your credit card balance or use as extra funds for more shopping. What is BDO credit card peso rewards? BDO credit card peso rewards is a loyalty program wherein cardholders will earn 1 credit card peso point for every 1,000 pesos qualified spend. And where 1 credit card peso point is equivalent to 1 peso, tulad ng sabi ko. Ngayon, yung question nyo is paano kayo makapag-earn ng points? Ganito yan. You earn 1 peso credit card peso point for every 1,000 qualified transactions. For example, your 2,221 spend earns you 2 peso points, which is equivalent to 2 pesos. Qualified foreign currency transactions also earn credit card peso points. Earn twice as much, get 2 times credit card peso points for every 1,000 qualified spend as a special offer for 2025. So kasi guys, alam nyo ba, minsan may offer sila na ganito, times 2 yung ma-earn yung points, which is, ganun sa experience ko sa Shopmore, sa 1,000 pesos ko, times 2 yung na-earn kong points doon, which is good as cash siya, which is equivalent to 2 pesos. So nandito guys, why choose Gold Mastercard? Free membership. Your first year is on us. Free supplementary card holder is free for life. So, ito guys, naka-free for the first year yung annual fee ng credit card ninyo, which is okay naman din. On the anniversary date, doon kayo mag-charge ng annual fee, which is 2,500 yung annual fee ng BDO Gold Mastercard. Then up to 10 million travel insurance coverage, charge your travel expenses to your card and explore the world without worries. So up to 10 million yung coverage ng insurance niya. Ngayon, ito naman guys, sa Visa Gold, great savings on daily spend. Enjoy your around deals, instant savings, and premium offers from our merchant partners. Parang tulad lang din siya guys, actually, ng perks and benefits kung ano yung meron yung Gold Mastercard. Kasi parehas lang silang Gold. Ito sa Visa Gold, parehas lang din sila kung paano mag-earn ng points. Yung Visa Gold at saka yung Mastercard Gold ni BDO Credit Card. Ganun din siya, naka-waive din yung first year sa Visa Gold. So yun lamang guys, I think that's all for now. So sana may na-share ako. It's me again, Joseph Kate. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye!